Google has just released a massive update on their Gemini model that allows users now to create PDF files, Excel documents, spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentation, and even Markdown files that can be handed over to AI coding agents like Cloud Code to generate agentic workflows that can be used in a business organization. So this means that there's less copy pasting from one chart to the next. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can use Google Gemini like a real assistant that is able to perform simple tasks like organizing a messy folder to complex tasks like generating leads for your organization. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zablan, or you can call me Z. Before we start today's video, I would like to take some time to thank those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel because your support keeps me going. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please remember to do so. Without wasting much time, let's get started. We'll start off the video by organizing a messy folder. In this case, I will upload receipt images from my trip to Miami, give Gemini access to that folder. I want Gemini to create a Google Sheet tracker that tracks my spending. I also want it to create a report on my financial spending and insights that will help me track my spending. To access Gemini on the web, I'll just type in gemini.google.com/app on my web browser, and then I'll be able to access Gemini. Inside Gemini, you can switch between different modes like fast mode, thinking mode, Pro, and even the Ultra version. In this case, I'll click Pro because it's good with advanced math and coding. I'll go ahead and give Gemini access to my folder that I have uploaded inside my drive. You can also upload the file directly from your computer. To do so, I'll go ahead and click on the plus sign and click on Add from Drive. After uploading the file, I'll go ahead and give Gemini a detailed prompt that includes the following: creating a Google Sheet tracker, generating a Google document that I can download as a PDF, listing all the missing information or unclear information from my spending, recommending the next actions that will guide my spending. Then I'll hit send. After a few minutes, Gemini has been able to create the reports that I wanted. In this case, it has created an expense tracker that tracks all the money that I spent during my trip. This is very useful information because I can be able to get a reimbursement from my employer if that is what I wanted. Gemini was also able to create a Google Docs document that I can download that has my expense report. So all I have to do to download this is just click on this sign right here, and then it will direct me to download it into my computer. It also went ahead and created a useful analysis based on my document that includes, for instance, the missing or unclear information. In this case, there was no return ticket. This is just a simple case on how you can use Gemini as an assistant that is able to organize a messy folder and generate key useful information that can help you in your organization. The next thing is have Gemini generate a project plan for my organization by giving it access to some of the meeting files and also the notes that we generated during our previous meeting. So I'll give it access to this information and also give it a detailed prompt so that it can go through the information. So I'll click on the plus sign right here and then click upload from my drive because I have all the information in my drive. Gemini has successfully managed to generate a plan based on the files and notes that I gave it. So all I have to do is go ahead and go through this and also be able to determine the way forward for my organization. I can also click this tracker so that I can go ahead and download it and use it for my organization. As you can see, you no longer have to be copy pasting information from one chart to the next because now the Gemini update allows you to directly download documents from the chart. Next up, I want Gemini to generate a Google Sheets reconciliation data that I can download by giving it access to vendor invoices and also bank transactions so that it can go through them, identify unpaid invoices and also missing information that I can be able to investigate. And then I'll give it a detailed prompt to generate a Google Docs document that I can download and also a Google Sheets reconciliation tracker document. So the documents are ready. So in this case, Gemini was able to generate an Excel document that I can go ahead and click on it and then download it directly to my computer. So as you can see, this makes work easier. So all I have to do is just upload the information and then Gemini is able to generate the output that I desire. So it also went ahead to generate a financial report that includes missing information and also immediate actions that I need to take based on the financial document that I gave it. So I can click on it and then click download directly to my computer. If you are on a paid version of Google Gemini, you can try generating slides that you can later export to PowerPoint presentations that you can present during meetings. In this case, I was not able to generate slides because I don't have a paid version of Google Gemini. Next up, I want Gemini to generate an executive summary from the weekly metrics meeting that we had. So I'll give it access to information that includes our wins, our risks, and also other related information. Gemini has successfully managed to create the weekly executive report, and all I gotta do is just click on this icon right here, and then I'll be able to directly download it inside my computer. I now want Gemini to generate a markdown file that I can use inside Cloud Code or even Codex, whereby this markdown file will be able to guide the agent in creating an automation or even an agent that performs daily repetitive tasks. So Gemini has successfully managed to create a markdown file that I can go ahead and export directly by just clicking on this download icon right here. And if I need any of the changes made, I'll go ahead and just type in the chat, and then it will be able to incorporate those changes inside the markdown file. Lastly, I want Gemini to go ahead and generate a CRM tracker from a messy leads generation workspace. So in this case, I have incomplete messages and even incomplete emails that I want Gemini to go ahead and organize and prioritize them based on their potential to be converted to customers. It has successfully managed to compile a Google Sheets CRM tracker, and so now I can click it and then be able to go through this information and determine who I can contact first based on the information that it's given me. As you can see, we were able to use Gemini like a qualified assistant that is able to perform simple tasks like organizing a messy folder, and also performing complex tasks like generating leads for your organization, and even generating markdown files that can be used by AI coding agents like Cloud Code to generate agentic workflows and automations. So that is it for today. If you found this video to be very important to you, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. As I said before, your support keeps me going, and see you on the next video.